Hi folks, I'm Ian Baker, and today I want to talk about an exclusive line of travel trailer, the Heartland Pioneer. There are a good variety of floor plans to go through. Regarding length, Pioneers run from just under 22 feet to a smidge over 37 feet. In terms of unloaded weight, at the lightest, they're slightly over 3,100 pounds. At their heaviest, they tip the scales at nearly 7,000. Pioneer mainly focuses on family floor plans, also known as bunkhouses. Since I'm a family man, I'll start there. Of the 16 floor plans, half of them are bunk models. The first one is the BH-175. This RV has a pair of twin bunks, convertible dinette, and camper queen bed. It is the only Pioneer that's on a single axle. The next 5 are the rest of the BH series, the BH-250, 260, 270, 280, and the all-new BH-305. Every one of them can sleep an impressive 8 campers. The BH-250 is a non-slide unit and has double-over-double bunks in the rear corner. The master bedroom has a camper queen bed set off the main living area by a privacy curtain. The 250 also features a convertible dinette and jackknife sofa. Similar to the BH-250, our next Pioneer, the BH-260, has the double-over-double bunks in the same corner. However, the BH-260 moves its jackknife sofa and fridge into a slide, rotating the kitchen against the interior wall abutting the bedroom. Next up, the Pioneer BH-270 moves the double-over-double bunks to the off-camp side. This brings the bathroom to the campside, allowing for a second entry door that goes right into the bathroom. The living area slide is larger and contains the convertible dinette and jackknife sofa. The kitchen area is also larger, with an expansive kidney-shaped counter. Number 4 of the 5 BH models is the BH-280. It's close to the BH-270, but with a few differences. The double-over-double bunks are now back on the campside, but an outside kitchen has been added. The BH-280 stretches the main living area to include a 50-inch TV across from the living area slide sofa. The convertible dinette is also a larger U-shaped dinette, and the BH-280 adds a large pantry or linen closet into the mix. Now we're on to number 5 of the BH models, and the newest one, the Pioneer BH-305. The 305 is similar to the next two, as it is a twin bunk model in a bunk room with the twins in an L shape against the back wall and campside wall. Inside the bunk room, you'll also find a cabinet with space for a TV. The living area slide of the BH-305 holds the jackknife sofa and U-shaped dinette across from the L-shaped kitchen. The BH-305 also has an outside kitchen. The final 2 Pioneer bunkhouse models, the DS-320 and QB-300, are the largest of the bunkhouses. Both are capable of sleeping a whopping 9 people. The DS-320 has an extremely large bunk room in the back with a solid pocket door for privacy. Inside the bunk room, you'll find 3 twin bunks along with a cube sofa capable of sleeping 2 people. One of the bunks in the cube sofa is sitting in a slide. This slide is on the campside right next to a second slide that houses a U-shaped dinette and jackknife sofa in the living area. Opposite this slide sits the kitchen with its large L-shaped counter. The DS-320 also has 2 entry doors, one right into the bathroom, as well as an outside kitchen. The QB-300 also has the twin bunks, but it is classically designed, where the bunk room has a pair of twin bunks on either side of the bunk room divided by a cabinet. The single slide is a large living area slide like the DS-320, only a larger U-shaped dinette. The kitchen is the same as the 320, and up front, you'll find the entertainment center and double pocket door separation for the main bedroom. That's it for the Pioneer bunkhouse models. On to the 4 rear living layouts. First up, we have the Pioneer RD210. A couple focus trailer, this is a classic layout with a jackknife sofa and convertible dinette sharing the back wall. A camper queen bed is centered on the front wall in this open space layout. Next on the rear living list is a relatively new Pioneer, the RE275. Along its back wall, you will find a large TV at an angle facing the living area slide, which houses the jackknife sofa and convertible dinette. Unique, the RE275 has 2 entrances to the bathroom, one being a private pocket door entrance from the bedroom. The RE275 also has an outside kitchen. Next up is the Pioneer's only rear kitchen layout, the RK280. The kitchen dominates the rear wall and creates a large inverted J shape with its counter. Nestled against the massive kitchen counter are a pair of swivel rockers that sit across from the living area slide with its jackknife sofa and dinette. The front end of the RK280 is laid out exactly like the RE275, including the private access from the bedroom to the bathroom. The final rear living floor plan is the RL250. Its living room slide houses the jackknife sofa and a large U-shaped dinette. Perfect for camp relaxation, a pair of swivel rockers sit against the back wall with the main entry in the back to allow immediate access. A second entry is a private door to the bedroom. Unique to the Pioneer line is their trio of toy hauler models. Each of them have their own benefits, but they all have the ability to store your toys with approximately 14 feet of garage space and a cargo carrying capacity around 2,200 pounds depending on the model. The first one, the RG26, has no slide out, but does have a pair of fold-up sofas in the garage area for extra sitting and sleeping space. The RG26 also has a walk-through bathroom leading to a front bedroom with a camper queen bed. The RG27, like its slightly longer sister, the RG28, has a slide-out. The RG27 slide pulls out the kitchen appliances, allowing for more room to store your toys in the RG27's 13-foot garage. A pair of fold-up sofas in the garage area allow for more sleeping room. Up front, you'll find a bathroom with a full-size shower and with a walk-around queen bed, an extra space for a wardrobe closet, and a solid pocket door for privacy. What separates the Pioneer line of travel trailers from other conventional travel trailers are the Pioneer's amazing amount of features you normally don't find in this price point. In the interior, you'll find Pioneers with LED accent lighting, wood pocket doors, Bluetooth AM/FM entertainment system, sofa with flip-down center console housing USB ports, residential-style stainless steel kitchen sink, double-door fridge, and a whole lot more. On a Pioneer's exterior, you'll notice nice touches such as power tongue jacks, power stabilizer jacks, power awning with LED lights, finished pass-through storage, and LED lighted speakers. When you're looking into getting a travel trailer for your camping family, you'll be searching for value. The Pioneer line of travel trailers not only give you that value, but give you more than what you expect in a conventional travel trailer.